Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening and verifying your TradeW account, so do that now and upload ID. Once verified, fund the wallet with an initial amount you can afford. I recommend $50 to learn. Next, choose a market and enter your first order. Use a limit order for controlled entry or a market order for immediate execution. You'll set position size based on a fixed risk percentage of your balance and place a clear stop loss to protect capital. Once your first trade is live, focus on execution and risk controls to avoid preventable losses. You should always set stop loss and take profit levels before opening a position. I use 1 to 2% risk per trade to stay disciplined. Then analyze short-term charts, such as 15-minute to 1-hour timeframes, and confirm trend direction with moving averages. Make staggered limit entries to improve average price and monitor fees and slippage, so you know real costs when closing trades. To finish a trade, decide whether to close manually at your target or use a trailing stop to capture extended moves. This locks gains while allowing upside. After closing, record trade details in a journal, entry, exit, size, reason, so you learn from outcomes. If an order fails, immediately check your available balance, API or approval settings, and any network or platform congestion. Finally, make monthly adjustments to position sizing and rules based on your journal, so you steadily improve your edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.